Hello, Frieda here. It's been a while. I hope you're doing well. COVID-19 has changed our lives, but one positive thing I observe is it get people to realize how important it is to take care of our health and boosting up our immune system, right? So, have you heard about microbiome and when the topic of immunity come up? Yes, microbiome is referred to as a second brain because it's so closely regulated our body's function, our immune system, our digesting, our skin, aging. And do you know it made up 57% of our body are made up of the bacteria versus 43% are living cells. So when they are healthy, we are healthy and with healthy looking skin. So would you like to learn more about it? How not to harm that bacterial flora, how to foster the health of it, and how microbiome-friendly probiotic skincare can bring you that beautiful, healthy skin, and how anti-aging ingredient can get you look 10 years younger. I would like to invite you to attend my virtual workshop, just like the one that I attended, I invited you to attend before. And guess what? I will also mail out samples to you once you register and provide me with your address. So you also get to experience it. So as a nutritionist, we say we are what we eat, but we now also know we are what we put on our body. Join my webinar. I would love to be the one to bring you awareness of the importance of a microbiome health and hopefully help you establish beneficial habits for the years to come, and also providing you solutions to help you to get that beautiful, healthy skin that you so deserve. So check out my email with the dates of the workshop, and I hope to reconnect with you soon. And have a beautiful week. Have a healthy week. Thank you so much.